Guys, now naman, mother is cooking.
Mother is cooking.
Okra.
Look
Garlic, onion, tomato, and okra.
Look.
Ang aking madam, guys. Sorry, guys. May madam. Busy talaga. Tong-tong na. Ay, nako. If you have kids, oh my gosh. The house is making, going there and there and there.
Be quiet.
Don't go, because auntie is, looking. Now, I need to put my garlic.
Milk. Milk I saving. Mommy is making milk.
Garlic and onion.
Yeah. Garlic and onion.
I do that. And then after, I'm doing, we'll dance first. Mag-dance lang ta. 2, 1, until can. Ready, gully, gully, gully. Until what? Gully. Ito na siya, guys, oh. Okra fry. Kasi mostly all the time you put in the laoy or sa akin naman ito dito ko natutunan to sa Nepal. Pero kapag yung asawa ko magluto nito, ang sarap. Sa akin, bahala na si Batman. Basta may pagkain, rice at saka ulaw, yan. Go na yan, guys, diba? Satisfy. Thanks to the God that we have it. Yan, that's it mo. Tapos may sabaw, may dal pa kami. My madam is good girl because she has a vacation today. See? Now I start to madam make it a broom. Next time I will teach her how to wash the dishes. Actually, she already start to wash her plate when she eats. But now, see, madam. Good job, Sophia Joy. I'm so proud of you. She is 5 years old. Soon, December. Okay, you're 6 years old. Okay. Soon, you become 6 years old on December. Okay, 6 years old now. Okay, to tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, ang bait ni Sophia. Super mabait. Good job, Sophia. And then soon also you cook our rice, our food, okay? Oh, while my dog is eating, Sophia is busy. Hi, sweetie. Sweetie? Stand up, sweetie. Okay, namaste. Where's your... Stand up, stand up. Quickly, Sophia. Now, Sophia is busy, my guys. See? Good job. Yeah, let's... Okay, my love. May marites. Oh. Hindi ba? Dami kong mga marites, guys. See? Ito si Kali na naman. Kumakain sila. They eating rice. And then later, mga 7 o'clock, they will eat dinner. Now, busy kaya akong madam. Atong maritison ang aking madam. Daspan. Oh my God, daspan. Yes, correct. You're right, madam. Daspan is life, madam. Thank you so much, madam. Here, madam, you collect all the garbage, please. And then after, you put all the dustpan. Yeah, good job. Good job, Sophia. Ito natin ang ating Christmas tree. I will show you guys because it's too much long. And then here our prayer area, like here in the Nepal as a Hindu, this is the temple, our temple. And then that's why I cut, because first of all, very tall, ang haba, ang ano na niya. Kaya itong branches kinakat ko para pagpunta dito sa sa temple namin, easy lang. Kasi matouch, kasi tingnan nyo, ang haba na talaga ng Christmas tree. Kaya pinagputol-putol ko. Pati din itong malunggay, puputulin ko din. Para naman ma-peaceful din naman. Malunggay, magputol din tayo ng malunggay. Para makita talaga ba, no? Yung malunggay. Magputol-putol tayo, saglit lang guys. Ha? Asa na yun ang aking para maano. Kasi it's too much and then sometimes no more. So just small branch, I need to cut only. Like this. Because sometimes no more it's especially if I'm hanging the clothes, I feel disturbed. Ayan. Ito isa. Kasi wala na iba Ito bukas ko itong putulin kasi there is a leaves. I can get the leaves pa. I can give to my chicken. Tutubo pa naman kasi ito. Sabi mo tayo guys, waka-waka, dami naman na, waka-waka, exercise tayo, Yung kapitbahay namin guys, tumingin, bahala siya. Siya na lang mag-ako, kasi mag-exercise tayo. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, chika-boom, 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 chika-boom. I want to show you guys, just look guys. Here, diba? Kinakat ko. Yeah, because it's too much. The rest is now peaceful now, 'di ba? Ang lawak na. Inano ko guys, Yeah, Christmas malunggay, Christmas tree and malunggay. See? Nakat mo na siya, tapos yung malunggay. Kasi it's too much kasi, and then it will grow naman. If you how many times you cut, it will grow. See yung malunggay tree namin. Yung Christmas tree, visible na siya para sa prayer. Kasi malapit na naman ang parang New Year na naman dito guys. Tapos ng Pasko, now going to Christmas na naman. It means New Year is going to, Christmas is done as a Hindu. Now New Year is meant prayer time na. Kaya inano ko muna siya. Ang aking kalat, bye. Thanks for today. Be kind. Love you all. God bless us all. Ha? Show you? Guys, show you daw. Say hi, auntie, uncle. Hi, hello. Say hi. Mama Net. Say hi. Hi everyone. Please don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe. I love you. Inamahal ko kayo.
Mahal.
Loudly. Doon, namahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Bye.
Bye.